I'm Lindsay, my biggest environmental concern is around climate change because it impacts on such an enormous variety of things, such as habitat loss and the environment. And I'd like to know what Welsh politicians are going to do to facilitate us all to be able to deal with this issue so that we can tackle it and improve.
Well, that's a very good question from Lindsay via the link up, and I think we do need to look at what we do within the Welsh Assembly, within Welsh Life, to combat what is clearly a global and national problem. And we can make a difference here in Wales. We need to set realistic targets to reduce energy. And we're also very keen to ensure that we take energy efficiency measures. In the Welsh Conservatives, for example, we've announced, Angela Burns, who's the Shadow Environment Minister, has said that we would ensure that there's cavity insulation in every home and that there's loft insulation in every home. That would make a massive difference just by using that measure. It also obviously helps promote employment. And I do think we need to get across that message that a lot of what this does will generate economic activity, the creation of green jobs, and I want Wales to be in the forefront of that. So we can do a lot. We also need to do more on recycling. We've improved our performance, but we're not as good as the best in Europe, nowhere near it. We need to recycle far, far more, and we need to reduce use of things as well. So there are lots of positive things we can do in Wales. We've also said that from the carrier bag levy that's being imposed, and we support that, that goes into environmental schemes. So we use that money to ensure that it's reinvested to make sure we are tackling this global problem, and it is a global problem, and we all have a common interest here in Wales in contributing towards solution of that global problem, and I'm sure it can be solved.